Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Going with my now go-to class, which is the DMR and shotgun.
Team deathmatch. The fate of the free world is in your hands.
You know, there's a lot of guns I wish were in this game that were in the other ones. I don't know if any of you remember this, but well, you most likely do if you're playing the game, because it's been out for a while. I really miss Black Ops 2's Executioner. It was like a little shotgun revolver that was in the pistols if you played it, which most people probably have by now. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. Let's go, team. But yeah, that was one of my favorite, at least one of my favorite pistols in the game. I know it probably wouldn't fit the Cold War era weapons, but I would have loved to see it get put into this one. Ah, I missed. Come on. Crap. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up to the sentry turret where it's safe. Crap. I didn't know what I was supposed to do.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
I wonder how often they get to the situation where someone gets to a situation where they're completely surrounded on all sides. Like, how many times does the common player actually get themselves completely surrounded on all sides and just dies?
Smoke checked. That's kill.
Oh, shit. Ah. If you're wondering why I'm using the shotgun so much, I'm trying to unlock that. There is a shotgun that you can unlock by getting 3 kills without dying. And I've been trying to do that, hoping that I can get the shotgun. And I have to do it 15 times, and I've already done it 5 times. So I just need to do it 10 more times in a match, in a few matches, so I can get the new shot, so I can get it, hopefully. Crap. Or at least get it for free. I don't know if I'd have to pay for it. Because we here like to earn our weapons and equipment.
We've almost got this.
I am honestly convinced they just spawn out everywhere. That there's no set spawn for your teams. You just randomly spawn wherever.
We did the work of a nation. Come on home.
Aw, one already. I wanted to get some more kills. That's me! I got the best kill of the match. E. I guess we can do one more match. Alright, here's the next match. I want to make the thing go away. Right now I got the yellow thing and I don't know how to make it go away. Oh, get off the screen. There we go. Hey, this looks like, whatever it was called. This looks like one of the other maps I played on before. I forgot what it was called. It was a Modern Warfare map. Behind me. Crap. Crap. Hey. Crap, crap, crap. Behind me, behind me, behind me. There's no other way out. The only way out was dying. I love this thing. God! Teammates scared the crap out of me. We're gonna let you go die because why not? Oh God. I hate that so much when they spawn in front of me because it scares the crap out of me every time. Because they just appear. They're just there. Seriously, dude. Just because you're camping there, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go back over there and kill you just because you're camping in that spot. Just for being a camper.
Hostile spy plane established overhead. Bushwhack. Threat down.
Oh, that was a bad idea. I held it for too long.
Enemy spy plane inbound. Attacked him. Enemy command.
I didn't know what to do. I'd also really like to see the attack dogs make a return for your street kills. I really loved using the attack dogs, the adorable monsters. They may be deadly, but they're adorable because they're dogs, and all dogs are adorable.
Appears KIA.
Appears KI. He appears dead, but he could still be alive. Seriously.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
There's like 3 of them camping in that same spot, or at least or if not camping, at least all 3 of them are trying to get in the same area.
Hostile sentry turret active. Enemy RCXD detected. One bar. Hostile male. Hostile marksman. That's a kill.
Seriously?
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
Ooh, me and my team are getting ready to win.
At ease. Mission objectives are green across the board.
Heh.
This is our house.
Aw. Seriously? Best guy that played was an enemy. Well, that is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Put a comment down below hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.